Hi everyone! Mabuhay! Let's make learning fun and exciting. I'm Neil and I'm here to help you speak Tagalog with confidence. I'm a dedicated and a detail-oriented civil engineering graduate with 3 years of construction experience, and I also hold an associate degree in computer science. As a native Tagalog speaker, I can communicate effectively in both Tagalog and English, making it easier for me to guide and support learners from different backgrounds. If ever you felt like Tagalog is confusing, don't worry, you're not alone. I got you. I simplify lessons into clear, easy to follow steps so you can learn faster and feel more confident. In our sessions, expect interactive, engaging, and practical lessons. Well, practice real life conversations so you can actually use it every day. No pressure, no fear, just progress, confidence, and results. So, if you're ready to level up your skills and enjoy learning at the same time, tara, join me and let's get started. Book trial lessons with me so we can discuss our objectives and how I can help you to achieve your learning goals in Tagalog.